Ever thought about making extra money by renting out your property for short stays? Welcome back to our Beginners Real Estate series. Last time, we explored real estate investment trusts, REITs, and their potential. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of short-term rentals. With our step-by-step guide, we'll make property investment accessible to everyone. Trust me, whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner's real estate enthusiast, you won't want to miss this real estate start. In our previous video, we explored the ins and outs of REITs and how they offer a way to invest in real estate without owning properties directly. If you missed it, be sure to check it out on our channel. Now, let's move on to another lucrative real estate investment strategy: short-term rentals. Short-term rentals have become a significant player in the real estate market, providing substantial returns for investors. This trend didn't happen overnight. It has a rich history and a fascinating journey to mainstream acceptance. The concept of short-term rentals dates back centuries, with travelers staying in inns, boarding houses, and private homes. However, the modern short-term rental market began to take shape in the early 2000s with the rise of the internet and online booking platforms. Websites like Craigslist initially facilitated these rentals, but the real game changer came in 2008 with the founding of Airbnb. Airbnb started as a simple idea to help travelers find affordable lodging while allowing homeowners to make extra money. Its user-friendly platform, coupled with the rise of the sharing economy, revolutionized the industry. By offering unique, home-like experiences in various locations, Airbnb quickly grew in popularity, paving the way for other platforms like Vrbo and HomeAway. The company's growth was fueled by its ability to create a sense of trust and community, implementing features such as verified profiles, reviews, and secure payment systems. This approach not only made it easier for homeowners to list their properties, but also provided travelers with a reliable alternative to traditional hotels. Now that we've explored the history and rise of short-term rentals, you might be wondering how you can tap into this exciting market. Stay tuned, because up next, we'll dive into the steps you can take to start investing in short-term rentals and unlock their full potential. Short-term rentals. How-to. Investing in short-term rentals is a fantastic way to gain exposure to the real estate market while potentially earning high returns. Here's how you can get started. First, it's essential to understand the different types of properties suitable for short-term rentals. These can range from single-family homes and condos to vacation homes and multi-family units. Single-family homes and condos are great for urban areas where travelers seek convenient access to city attractions. Vacation homes are perfect for tourist destinations where people come to relax and enjoy the scenery. Multi-family units can provide multiple streams of income from one property, increasing your potential returns. The key is to choose a property that appeals to travelers and is located in a desirable area, making it an ideal real estate start for those new to property investment. Next, you need to research and select the right location. Consider factors such as local attractions, demand for short-term rentals, and regulations. Popular tourist destinations, business hubs, and areas with limited hotel options are often great choices. For example, properties near beaches, national parks, or downtown areas usually attract many visitors. Websites like Airbnb and Vrbo can provide valuable insights into market demand and average rental rates. They often offer tools to help you analyze how similar properties in the area are performing, which can guide your decision-making process. Before diving in, it's crucial to understand the legal and regulatory environment. Each city or country may have different rules governing short-term rentals. Ensure you comply with local laws, obtain necessary permits, and adhere to zoning regulations. Some areas might require you to register your property, pay specific taxes, or limit the number of days you can rent out your property. This will help you avoid legal issues and ensure a smooth operation. Consulting with a local attorney or real estate expert can provide clarity on these regulations and help you stay compliant. Then, prepare your property for guests. This includes furnishing the space, ensuring it's clean and well maintained, and providing essential amenities like Wi-Fi, kitchen supplies, and toiletries. Think about the guest experience. What would make their stay comfortable and enjoyable? High-quality bedding, a well-equipped kitchen, and thoughtful touches like local guidebooks or welcome baskets can lead to positive reviews and repeat bookings. Regular maintenance and deep cleaning are crucial to keeping your property in top shape and ready for guests. This step-by-step guide will help ensure your property stands out in the competitive short-term rental market. Listing your property on multiple platforms is essential to maximize visibility and bookings. High-quality photos, detailed descriptions, and competitive pricing are crucial for attracting guests. Consider hiring a professional photographer to showcase your property in the best light. Effective description should highlight unique features, nearby attractions, and any special amenities you offer. Competitive pricing can be achieved by analyzing similar listings in your area and adjusting your rates based on demand, seasonality, and special events. Finally, managing your short-term rental effectively is key to success. This involves responding promptly to inquiries, maintaining the property, and providing excellent customer service. Quick and clear communication with potential guests can significantly improve your booking rates. You might consider using property management software to automate booking, scheduling, and communication processes, or hiring a property manager to handle day-to-day operations, especially if you have multiple properties or live far from your rental. Ensuring a positive experience for your guests can lead to great reviews, repeat bookings, and increased income, making it a rewarding aspect of your beginner's real estate journey. Success stories. Consider the case of Brian Chesky, co-founder of Airbnb. He started by renting out air mattresses in his apartment to conference attendees in San Francisco. Today, Airbnb is a billion-dollar company, and Chesky's journey illustrates the enormous potential of short-term rentals. Another inspiring story is that of Jasper Rivers, known as the Traveling Dutchman. Jasper turned his apartment in Amsterdam into a successful short-term rental, earning enough to travel the world while managing his property remotely. His success highlights the flexibility and profitability of investing in short-term rentals. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into another exciting type of real estate investment that could be the perfect real estate start for your portfolio. We'll break down complex topics into simple content. Reflect on the possibilities that short-term rentals can offer you. Whether you're looking for a steady rental income or a way to diversify your investments, short-term rentals provide a great opportunity. By following these steps and learning from the pros, you can begin your journey into property investment with confidence. So, start researching and take your first steps into short-term rental investing. We'd love to hear from you. What type of short-term rental properties are you most interested in? Let us know in the comments. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner's real estate enthusiast, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.